Hey, looks like chat's very busy already. Hey, everybody. What's going on? Hey. Oh, man. Yeah, my stream was a little late because I got home from the gym later than I wanted to. Welcome. I think tonight's stream, I'm going to do something very different. I'm just going to do some programming and stuff and just talk and shoot the shit, you know? So, my processor came. My i5 8400 and my case came. And so I have those two things in my monitor. Now I'm just waiting for, well, everything else. Then I can finally consider doing something. Do a live stream where I'm building this thing. What the fuck do you mean not responding, Visual Studio? Oi, hey. Yeah, the chatbot's on. I heard it. Hold on, let me turn up the volume and see if the volume's down or messed up. There we go. Yeah, everything looks to be in order. Sorry, I just couldn't resist. Oh, man. So right here, this program, I know I said I'd be doing, well, at least on Twitter, I said I'd probably be doing a lot of DDR reverse engineering related tools, but I wanted to see if I could actually do, without special libraries and stuff, any kind of game programming in C# using just forms and stuff. It would be kind of interesting to do. The one problem I could see is whether or not we have to work around input that causes a break in the flow, or whether I can just get input on. Oh yeah. So what do we have in here so far, in terms of what pop specifically? Actually, no. You know what? Screw. I'm gonna close this project. Actually, I think I'm gonna go and do my. Let's see. Hold on. I'm tempted to do this to build my editor, but let me just. Or I could do something else. Whoops. I fucked that up. Oh, the elongated oof. Probably in a few minutes. So get this. So for my DDR, I'm making a DDR hacking program that'll allow you to load the right files and stuff. And so I'm testing out something for the editor, for the screen menu positioning editor I'm working on. And look at this. You got the mouse, and it shows the coordinates. It flickers like crazy, but it's a start. I'm going to make it so you can then click and drag, or you can single click on an object and get information and then alter that. So here's the biggest thing that I've been having trouble with. a lot of these games, they have information, the same kind of information, but in different locations. Some have structures that are a little bit more elaborated upon than others, like games that have beginner's mode versus those that don't, and the like. And so I'm trying to think of the best way to handle the management of all that data, and allow for easy opening of different things from different games. Look at this. Hey, it shows me where my mouse is. Yep, that's the problem though. Hey. Ooh, ear rapey. Okay, WPF. Ooh, that's actually an interesting idea. I've never done that before, so I'm really nervous about getting the hang of this. I honestly have no idea what the hell I'm doing here. So, I'll figure this out later. For now, I'm just going to...
Ravioli, ravioli, give me the formuoli.
No, I'm not giving you the formuloli. Ravioli? Uh-oh, what? Why is this computer being a cunt right now? Come on, Firefox! Just gonna go back to this for now anyway. You know what I could do is make... Well, if I don't know what I'm thinking. Let me see. Oh, no, I just clicked on live dashboard, you dumb cunt. Fuck you, Firefox. Yeah, I guess this laid back will not be without cursing up shit. Ah. There we go. Funny, when you slow it down like that, it doesn't sound like you're saying oof. It sounds more like you're saying oom. It really does. Hmm. That's interesting. So I do feel like I'm gonna have to, if I want to make certain things, I know I'm going to have to do my own controls if I decide to stay on WinForm. Hmm. So how does it look? I'm still really nervous about that, how that game's gonna come out, unless I'm confusing it with another Doom title. Hopefully it's not gonna suck. Scoopity scoop? Hey, what's going on, man? Hmm. Wait, do I even have the DDR stuff? Oh, and by the way, ooh, that's cool. That sounds like awesome. Anyway, Wheatley, the Internet Archive, it turns out, I found actually has a lot of DDR game ISO images, including the demo versions of Max and Max 2 US, um, as well as a lot of PlayStation titles, including Best Mix, Extra Mix, Fifth Mix, Second Remix, First Mix. So, a lot of stuff, actually. So head on onto the Internet Archive if you want to get yourself some old PlayStation 1 DDR titles to mess with. I'm really surprised that that was what was happening here. But what can I, what else, whatever, you know? Ow. Fuck nuts. I would react to the Doom stuff, but I really don't want to get my stream restricted again. Because holy shit was that obnoxious. Oh god. Alright, so let me close this. Recent projects. Alright. So what I'm trying to do here is make a tool that will allow people to make their own SSQ format step data for DDR. And wow, that's cool, man. I mean, it sucks that your old phone, that what happened with your old phone, and that you've had to use a temporary replacement. But it's great that you can still watch videos, man. Although, from what I could see, the Internet Archive ones, it's usually a 7-zip file with a single bin and queue image. I just wish that there was a way to load a queue as if it were a bin, as if it were an ISO. If there isn't, so I could just extract the files. I gotta see if because it's been a while since I've ever tried that. Whoops. Can I do that in Daemon Tools? Alright. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna fuck it up if I try. I'm really nervous. Daemon Tools Lite. Oh yeah, and the Internet Archive also has the Xbox DDR titles. Funnily enough. Okay, let me see. Whoops. Oh yay! I can extract the. I like having the disk image as well as having extracted files. Because then, yeah, I will. Oops. I also want to find out why the hell Firefox is being such a cunt. Hey, DDR fourth mix, PSX. Yay. All right, man. Oh man, let's see games. And the fact that I can actually do this makes me really happy because it's not a DOS function, you stupid kumquat. What the fuck?
Once there was an ugly bark.
Yeah.
He was so ugly that everyone died. The end.
Hmm. This is annoying. No, I have not yet. Ooh, I could do that now. Hold on. Yep, that was the old DDR. That's it has a nice heavy sound to it. There we are. There we go. Wow. There we go. Hold on. Dude. All right, here we go. All right, new command. Hold on. I got the fail sound correctly put into place. Okay. S command. Let me go back to edit this. Woo! I actually had to edit a little bit of sound out of that to make it so it was just Ren's scream and nothing else. But hey, it works. Oh, hell yeah. Fuck it. I'll copy over those files later. No, games. PS2 original. Oh, fuck you, game. Oy. Uh-oh. Hmm. I reduced the cooldown time to 0 minutes, so let's see if that helps. Well, I tried to. Let me just see. Commands. Oh, yeah. The global sound file cooldown minutes is set to 0. That's weird. It should be doing that. Woo! I love that sound. Timers, quotes, extra quotes, give nah. Strong request is something I absolutely refuse to do because not only with the risk of stream restrictions on YouTube, but also because of well, I believe I can do that. Let me take a gander. But also because of all the inevitable trolling that will happen. Cost 0. Chat. Mission cooldown minutes 0. All of these have a cooldown of 0. So that's weird. It should be working, you know? Weird. Anyway.
Magic.
I love that sound. Boy. I'll tell you what. Boof. I gotta remember how to do custom controls. Good, because what I want to do is create a control for an SSQ editor that will not only have a picture box, but will also be able to store certain metadata about it in terms of good question. Let me see. I don't know, it won't let me do that. Only whole integer values up to 60. If I wanted to be a real cunt, I could set it so you had to wait an hour. That would be funny though, if well, I don't know, I think it would just be a douchey thing to do. Hmm. Hmm. I guess right now I'm not worried only because the stupid thing seems to like bugging out a lot in terms of not working consistently. So as long as it's doing that, I think for now we're alright. Alright, so let's see. What I'm looking for right now are arrow graphics that I could use for the half note, quarter note, and whatnot that I'm going to need to have arrow graphics for in edit mode for this editor. Here we have what look like target arrows. Let's see what else. This looks like it's the high scores screen. Arcade link data. One of the credits, backgrounds, the caution. Let's see. Where's that results screen graphic? It has to be here somewhere. I don't know why I just started changing my focus to that. God damn it. ADD much? DDDDD much? DADDDBB. Ooh, what is this? I forgot. Was this even used? If so, where? That would be funny though. It really would be. What is that? Alright, so I did mention that in Max 2, I found third and fourth mix announcer lines in the arcade version of Max 2, right? I know this is supposed to be more focused on programming, but fuck it, I'm going to be doing this because it's funny stuff that could be at least tangentially related to programming stuff I'll be doing. Alright, so sound. Where is... Where's that audio player? Sound. That sounds like a piss of a time, huh? Alright, so let me scan this file. Alright, so arcade, original, DDR Max 2, Dance Dance Revolution 7 mix, card.dat. Start the scan, you see it finds all of these files. This is the arcade game.
I'm always here for you. I'm ready to support your next effort.
The pitch is a little
Your
fucked.
rhythm is off. Get it together. Your dance was so great. 1, 2, clear. Winner!
That would actually be pretty interesting. I don't even think you would need to do a texture mod for that one. If you wanted to just force it so the player would get the opposite, you just have to rearrange or just rework the function that determines the letter grade. It would be fairly simple, I think. Although there are some caveats that in terms of my not having figured out the flow completely of that function.
Here we have the Watari. Let's
So that's DDR Max 2.
Sorry, can I call you a dancing master?
Awesome! Awesome! What a cool
Yeah,
guy you are!
You hear that? Third and fourth mix.
We're ready for we're ready for a real battle on the dance floor. Awesome! You're having a hard time today. It's not the end of the world. There's World Champion! You are the encore! Surprising move. Thank you for the ultimate.
But yeah, you wouldn't have to modify the actual score. Yeah, you wouldn't have to actually modify the score, just the way it processes that score.
You brought tears to my eyes. You're a dancing machine. Awesome technique. I'm always your dance. I have never. Hey, everybody! They're gonna fight. Knockout.
Doesn't that sound weird? Hearing the first to fifth mix announcer saying those types of things, they're gonna fight! Knockout! Doesn't that just sound a little wrong?
Knockout! Hot, 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 hot! This is a pretty good.
It sounds like he's burning his tongue on a hot gas station burrito or something. Doesn't it?
Song. You have good take. You have good take. Everybody's wait. Give it your. This is the. Show me your. Don't be careless. This is it. You've got. This is the. I'm getting it. What rhythm? Yes. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. You're a. Yes.
I hear that.
Wow. You are too. You're a surprising move. Give it your.
Please enter your name. Select a style.
Step. This is a. It's new. Step. Step. This is a pretty good. Oh. Thank you for playing.
No charge to join in. Hurry up.
It's new. You have good. Show me. Give it your. This is the. Let's show me. This is it. Take him. You've take my. You. This. The. I'm nice. What? You. Wow. What combo? Yes. Great. You're awesome. Nice. What? Oh, you. What? You're. Did you? Oh. Be careful. Oh. What? What kind? I feel your burning soul. What kind of step is this? Hey, everybody. Knockout. Hot, hot! Hey, it's your fight! What a great. I've never seen a. I did not want to. It's not the end of the. Let's get back to base. You're having a hard time. Your dance was so. That was cool. I have never.
God damn it.
I have never. Great. Awesome. You're doing. I can see. Thank you for your tech. Surprise.
I need to make the Konami sound a thing.
What technique? This is the. Everybody is. This is the best. What a cool. Did you have. Oh no. Did you have breakfast today? Did you have breakfast today? Did you have breakfast today?
Hey, I should make that a sound too.
Did you have breakfast today? Knockout! Hot, hot! I can see a dream in your dance. You're doing great. You're having a great. You're doing great. Oh, encore! Encore! You are the best pair.
So the process, my progress on the new rig. Today I got my case and I got my processor. Good old i5 8400. The breakfast one is pretty funny. Did you have breakfast this morning? Actually, you know what? I'm now curious. Scan file. Dancing Stage Euromix 2.
Good. Freeze. Great. Freeze.
Freeze.
300 combo. 10. Triple A.
I like the E.
Game. E.
I like the way he just goes E. What processor does the rig utilize currently?
Konami's original. Are you still strong enough? Are you still go to what? Hey, push the one, push the stop, single, doubles, no check. Wow, nice, gotcha. Time is running out. Hurry up. Name and leave your name.
So many sounds I've never heard before. There's so many sounds I've never heard before.
Push the start button.
Tell me I'm not the only
All
one who
set.
has not heard a lot of these sounds before. Tell me I'm not the only one of those who vigorously plays these games. Let's see if game.dat has any interesting files in there. The immature part of me is starting to kind of rear its ugly head in terms of just how it can just misread that instruction. Interesting. And the file. File. What the fuck? That did not rip properly. What the hell is that?
You showed us your ultimate death. Thank you very much. I can't stop crying. Buckets of tears.
I hope my lip sync wasn't that terrible. Dicking around with games. I'm thinking, if I wanted to program something that could reverse engineer the sd.bin file, I need to find a way to have it so it rips the files from the, have a program that rips the files with the address intact. Is why I took an open source tool So let me see. If I can make it so the output file uses the name, for the name, the location instead of just the name, I mean, just the number of the file ripped, I can then find the tables and stuff using information. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying anymore. I'm just, what the hell is wrong with me today? I was so happy when I found this was still an extreme SD.bin, because if I wanted to do a transplant of songs to Max 2 to make a arcadified, as I would call it, version of the game, I would need to be able to have some of this data kind of converted already. It would make it a lot easier, I should say. You know, even though I've played the Japanese version of Max 2 a lot, it still throws me off. Actually, even though I've played it more than I've played the arcade version, it still throws me off when Baby Love Me is the first song on the list instead of A Minute. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me, though. Alright, so I've gotten way off topic here. I know. That's kind of an unfortunate habit of mine here. So, what I want to do is create a customized control here. It'll be a picture box, but it'll be extended in a way so that it will be able to contain a few important pieces of data, including the value of the step value being represented, as well as the actual beat and measure, as well as the, well, let me rephrase that, as well as the beat, the measure within the beat, and the overall beat within the entirety of the step chart. And I would have these picture boxes in their own data structure for a single beat. And in that beat would have the sum of the values for each arrow, which would get shifted down into its own section when I write the file. I really want to look it up and see how to go about doing what I need to do, except Firefox decides to fuck up everything and slow this shit down. Let's see. I'm not looking forward to tomorrow. Not because I have to spend most of my day at my parents' office, but because with a nor'easter coming that's going to be just dumping crap tons of rain, I hope my computer parts are okay, or will be okay. It's gonna suck. It really is going to suck. Oh, fire cunt. Shut up with your lag bullshit. So, let's see, I'll be in, let me just go into stream chat. Okay, so now if anyone wants to go in there as well, we can chat. That's, whoops, not C $. C sharp, cunt. No, not C sharp, dollar dime. Wait, dollar dime? What? Fuck. Oh wait, maybe I don't even have to go through the process of making an outright new form object. Maybe I could programmatically make something just as a. Alright, so where's that solution explorer? Hey, you thought you could get away from me, couldn't you, you little worm? Fuck you. Let me just rename this. There we go. Okay, there may be many problems with what I'm trying to do, but this could be a viable solution. Alright, let me add a class. Private. Hold on. There we go. Thought there would be. Ooh, hello there. 2 byte. Alright, just byte. Alright, so byte. There we go. Arrow value.
I just heard me just like through the stream. I just heard me yelling broccoli moisturizer. How about potato moisturizer?
God. Let's see. Arrow measure. No, that should not be a byte. It should be a uint 16. Because I doubt that we're gonna have more than 16,000 beats. My God, that would be absolutely nutty. A song that was very long and had over 16,000 beats. Private byte. No, let's see.
Imagine a 12-hour long DDR step chart.
Oh God.
It was just full, like, it was just straight up a non-stop stream. I'm pretty sure your legs would commit die.
There we go. I was going to go through the process of actually making a completely custom graphics or picture box control with these things, but I thought this would just be a lot less of a pain in the balls. But yeah, you know what would be interesting? Actually, that gives me an idea. If we stripped out absolutely everything except for the basics needed to go directly into a song stage, and we have that as the only song, I bet you we could free up enough space on the game disk to actually allow someone to make a song like that. It could be like the ultimate DDR challenge.
It's just like a compilation of every single DDR boss song.
Oh God. Oh man, that would
just like a 12-hour like thing of straight up DJ Sharpnel songs.
done. 1 equals left. 2 equals down. No, down, not doing. 4 equals up, and 8 equals right.
Up, down, left, right, B, A, select, start. And Pop Guy deleted the updates channel.
Hey, insufferable. I think tonight I'm just going to do some programming, but tomorrow I'm absolutely doing some more TF2. We could absolutely play together and cause some damage.
Okay, Pop Guy just deleted the updates channel. Oh no. Because the category was up, it was collapsed.
Wait, what? Fuck.
Who the frick is insufferable memes?
The beat, let's see, so how should I describe this variable? The beat.
Okay, as an administrator, I have to issue a formal warning.
Hold on. There we go.
Yeah, of course, unbelievable.
Beat number not bound by.
Even though I was the person who allowed the bot into the server.
Bound by what measure it is within. It is contained within. There we go. Oh yeah, I almost forgot one other value I absolutely need. Whoops, byte, not type. Equals. Hold on. Hacking notes. Dance. Oops, no. Well, now that I have the demo disk for DDR Max US, I could go and see what kind of debugging information is stuck in there. Since I have it for a lot of other versions and not for the demo of Max. Quarter, 8th, and 16th. There we go. And I'm leaving it so that arrow time can be 0 if there's no arrow at that beat. There we go. Wrap up. Jesus. Jeez. Wooey.
With the formal
DDR Max 2, arrow movements. Stuff I've grabbed from old,
So with the formal warning system, anyone who's equal power level or above can issue a formal warning for a certain infringement. So like an admin can issue a formal warning on the moderator for example, like abusing their power.
That is
Or, or
always.
if an admin is doing another thing, a fellow admin can issue a formal warning on another admin.
That's always a very useful tool to have. Sneezed my butt off. Yikes.
Receive all the maximum of 6 formal warnings, and the next warning you receive is a temporary level reduction.
Kinda.
And if you receive the maximum amount of level reduction encouragements you receive, you get admin taken away. And if that's not enough, well, we ban you.
Yep. Alright, so take a look at this. It's something I did when messing around with Extra Mix. I messed around with the song selection thing a long time ago. I forgot I had this video. Oops, I fucked that up.
Be right back.
Alright.
I will be back.
Yep. Wait, look at this. Oh my god. Hey, Pop Guy, if you're still watching, take a look. I don't think the banners are supposed to be flying around the screen like this. Oh god. It goes. No, actually, no. It's like if I'm going the wrong way for the orientation of the camera here. It's going and then gets to go. Oh god. I forgot that I even made this video of my doing that stuff. Anyway. What? God. Well, basically, I found some of the values that deal with the movement of banners, because I guess what happens is it loads them and then it kind of has them transition into their positions by going doop, doop, doop for each banner, doop, 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 doop. And I just fucked with it, and the velocity was just something where the game couldn't handle it without making it do weird things. And holy crap, is that funny. Oh, I forgot. I found the data definitions for 4th and 5th mix that I could utilize to mess around with stuff. Oh, let me see. What are all these things? Anyway. There we go. Whoops. I did not put that in the right place. Fucking hell. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Hmm. Now where is that? And that's not what I want. Oh, fuck it. Hmm. Hang on, I'm just gonna turn the heat up in here again. Hmm. Hmm. Oh yeah, that's what I could call it. Global beat. There we go. Not variables, variables, derp. Hmm. Oh, I just minimized everything. Whoops, I'm a dope. Ow. Can't believe that there's another YouTube channel related to that pollution entertainment cunt who fucking tortured and abused cats. I mean, seriously. Is it really that fucking hard for YouTube to go and fucking just delete the channel after looking at the evidence? I mean, god damn. I don't know. Anyway, on to happier news. So now that we've got this. Whoops. I swear. I swear I can type. There we go. Private static byte. Private static. Private static. Private static. Static, static, stiddle static. Fiddle fatic. What am I saying here? If I were doing this in C, I know how I would go about this. But that doesn't matter because I'm not using C. As much fun as that would be. And that rhyme was not intended. Really. Alright, so first part of business here. Hmm. I'm still a little nervous about trying to handle input with this thing. So I really am nervous though. About getting this to work right. Oh wait, you know what? I think I'm gonna actually start some a KillPG loop in the background or some music in general, just so that we have something that's a little less dry and boring of just people talking. How about some video game music to start? It's safe. I know. There we go. There we go. The panel that will hold our arrow beats will be 128 pixels wide. What the hell? Oh, wait. Alright. This is definitely going to be the ugliest thing I've ever coded. But it's going to work. I hope. Oh wait, I didn't realize. How would the picture box get being clicked? Wait a second, would this work? Can I make this a class function? Let me see what happens if I look at this. Click. Hello, Poppy. Okay, let's see what happens. Now I'm gonna have to remove this reference to that spec function since I just truncated it. There we go. Hey, it compiles. Oh, cool, dude. Cool, dude. Mmm. Hmm. Oh, that's that's easy. Yay! It works! Woo! That's how we'll do it. Hey! Yeah, I did it! Woo! I heard that. Sounded like you just sharded yourself, man.
I have a bad case of diarrhea.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a rhea case of bad dia.
Ravioli, ravioli, give me the formuoli.
So now I have now, whoops. I have now caused myself to more agony by forgetting that Firefox is a cunt when other things are open. There we go.
I wouldn't let you sleep in my room if you were growing on my ass.
I love that sound.
Can you tell Papa to join my server, please?
Hey, Pop Guy. Join his server, man. Do it. You know you want to.
really an improvement in the danger community.
Hmm. Hmm. Wait, I think I may have just made myself a little confused with what I was trying to do here. Shit. Alright. Left, right, down, up, and right. I decided... There we go. That's what I wanted to do. There we go. And now it's all set up. Oh, the Discord invite is to Wheatley's own server. Definitely check it out. And what is my opinion on people with less severe autism? Like those with what for some time was called Asperger's, for example, because I know I'm on that spectrum. I know I'm in that boat. I'll tell you, we have made great strides in terms of awareness about just how us being wired differently, but still, it can be one fucking hell of a struggle. Especially with family not understanding and some members of the family not understanding the quirks. What sets them off? What makes things tick and all that shit. Oh, man. Hold on. Yep. I don't know. I feel like not having categories can be a little annoying, really. Mm-hmm. I hope I did this right. And obviously I didn't do that right. There we go. So now, when you click it, if the byte value, if the arrow value was already 0, set it to the column value, which is 1248. And if it is already something else, then set it to 0. I hope I did this right. And I hope that I didn't just confuse myself with all these variables. So we got a timing value for whether it's an 8th, quarter, 16th note. We've got the type of arrow. We've got whether the arrow value will be whether or not there's an arrow of that particular type for that column at that beat. Which means it'll just have to take on the arrow column value. The measures and all that shit's self-explanatory. Now I just gotta figure out the drawing part of it. Not really all that. Yay! It loads and doesn't crash. Hey. Oh wait, instead of just having an init function, I could also have a constructor, right? Well, wait, why is this private? It's been a long time since I really did anything heavy in C#, so I'm gonna be very rusty. God damn. Oh yeah, I just needed to do that. Public. That's right. Oh, I'm an idiot. I forgot to put a default constructor. I think that's still allowed, right? Yay! I have an empty constructor that does jack shit, a constructor that gives you all the values, and my init function, so if in case for whatever reason you decided to stupidly not initialize it with all the data.
Smoke weed every day.
I wish I could. Actually, here it can be quite relaxing. I'm glad though that I could add the measure of the click function in the class like this. Oh, fuck you, Firefox. Alright, I want to see what happens. Ah. I don't think I'd ever do math. Oh, I love that sound. Yeah. There we go. So I think this will be the first editor for step data that will actually allow you yeah. That'll allow you to edit and export files in the native SSQ format. I still hope that one day I can find a way to compress it in a way where DDR games will actually load it properly, because that would be big. I don't know. What am I saying? I can't help it. This is my favorite song in the Microsoft MSX Gradius titles. It's so damn catchy. Hey, debugging data. Oh, I love that sound. Beat. Woo. Get music data by index. Interesting. Get music data by base name. Base name. I guess this is when you sort it by alphabet. And I guess this is maybe the part of the default sorting. But music all.c is already a great asset, just seeing this little bit in terms of showing us how that shit works. I still need a way to disassemble dwarf debugging data. There are apparently tools that can convert it to XML, but those are all Linux based, which sucks. Not because Linux is sucky at all, not in the slightest, but just because of the limitation of the data, especially when they don't provide the source code to allow you to...
Well, shit.
Oh, I love that. When I first heard that, I was really surprised to hear G-Man say shit. I know I'm not the only one. What am I doing? Oh, I know what I can do now. Oh yeah, and they also have the 5-key Beatmania PS1 titles on the Internet Archive. I know that this... Loof. But yeah, abso-effing-lutely, man. Wow.
Nope.
Not wait until you finish your new rig.
Huh? What's up?
I cannot wait until you finish your new rig.
One day. Hopefully, it won't be too far. Let's see what I can do for aero graphics.
Yes, then we can figure out shipping, and you can send me your old rig.
Oh yeah.
I'd be able to start a new chapter. Be able to do so much more crap.
Yep. Yep. X2 converted. let's see here. Alright, duplicate layers. Delete, wait. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Alright, new layer. Fuck. Oh, good enough. Now I have this here. I can make a duplication of this layer. Colors. Levels. Colors. Levels. Come on, Gimp. Don't be a cunt. Gimpy cunt. Little Mo with the gimpy legs. Cheeks, Bony Bob, Cliff.
Diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
Okay, why the fuck is this not showing up at all? It's supposed to. Oh, fuck you, Gimp.
I have a bad case of diabetes. I have a bad case of diabetes. I have a bad case of diabetes.
Diabetes. Diabetes. Beatus. Beatus, milliliters, fetus, deletus, cletus. Beat. Deletus, cletus. Anyway. Let's try this again.
I have a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of self-deletus. I have a bad case of self-deletus. I have a bad case of self-deletus.
Alright, let's take a gander at this. Will this work finally? No. Shit knockers. No, shit knocker!
I have a bad case of AIDS. I have a bad case of AIDS. I have a bad case of AIDS.
Oh, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna copy this layer, colors, levels, slide this all the way down, down, down. I guess that doesn't want to work here. I don't know why. Oh wait. Levels. Down. Okay. Now we got this. Now if we copy this.
When your nut bushy keeps sucking. That was perfect.
Oh my god, that timing!
I perfectly timed it right after.
Oh my god! That timing, holy crap!
I literally thought I literally thought there was gonna be like a really nice delay to the sound effect, but it was perfectly timed.
Hmm. Ah, the voice work of. I wonder if that scream came from an episode where it was voiced by Billy West, or if it was from one of the episodes, or if it was done by.
That sounds like someone ripping ass.
Banoon, banoon, banoon.
I have a bad case of.
Oof.
Nope.
I have a bad case of mega shit. I have a bad case of mega shit.
For the first time, it sounded almost like you said naked shit. That would have been even worse. Oh. Alright, this is confusing the crap out of me.
Am I confusing you?
No. What's confusing me now is how to...
How self-delete this?
No. It was how to get the black outline on these freeze arrow graphics to look right. Because the way it loaded into GIMP, the black background I had to delete, causing all the black to be deleted, especially where I needed it, which sucks because, well, more work. So here we go. We got so here we have the freeze arrows that we will be using. I wonder if I can wait. Let me duplicate this layer and try something stupid here.
Here, taking a look through some images and saying,
Whoops, I did not. There we go.
so the whole body and the end cap for freeze arrows are quite, the black outline is thin, but the actual note is, it's got like a medium, like small thickness.
Are you calling it fat? This is why I can't do prank phone calls, because I laugh too easily.
I remember I prank called a freaking freaking adult shop once and asking them if they had any condoms that were bigger than magnums.
Oh god. Levels. Oh come on, you fuck nugget.
I got a bad case of fuck.
Fuckeria.
I have a bad case of fuckeria. I have a bad case of Chitteria. I have a bad case of bitcheria. I have a bad case of fucking myself in the ass. I just heard that go through the stream.
Oh God.
Oh yeah, did you hear about the fact that DDR820 was released?
It was finally released?
Yeah, and there's gameplay of it.
Oh. Nice. That is cool. Hold on, let me see. Something colors, levels. Hey, now I have what I need. Hey, look at this. Now I have arrows that I can color myself, and I can make the beats for each arrow. You know, the red, blue, yellow shit. Yeah.
Like, illegit, like, they completely made the interface gold. The judgment's been changed.
Really?
The new cabinet looks like
Gaudy as fuck.
really good.
But no, that's cool. Actually, I have to admit, I agree with you there. It does look really cool.
Well, they changed the menu timer sound.
Really?
And pad lights are also back.
Ooh. Wait, they got rid of that?
Yeah, the original white cabs, they got rid of them. Now they're back.
Yeah, I like the first Drat Pop guy. I think that was my favorite one. Because in the episode Dexter's Lab that came from, he's all frantic writing a note to Dee Dee before he gets sucked into the alien that came through the portal, and then all of a sudden the tip of his pencil breaks and his demeanor just completely changes to being frustrated because, Brat, my pencil tip broke. The timing of that one was pretty fucking funny. So for these,
Seriously, now the judgment looks like it came right out of DDR 2014.
Move it, fatsoy. Move it, fatsoy. Move it, fatsoy. Move it, fatsoy.
Like they remastered the DDR 2014 font.
ooh.
Pop Guide moisturizes.
Hey, that doesn't look half bad. There we go.
Konami moisturizes.
Chronomerize. Wait.
And with moisturizing, they use broccoli moisturizer.
Broccoli. Ooh. Hey, Pop Guy. So basically, they got really, really good voices that sound pretty close to their American counterparts, or their Canadian counterparts, I should say. If that,
Canada.
yeah,
Canadian softball.
Canada ball.
Canadian sock my balls.
Ball socket. Oh God.
So the ball socket, is that where you plug in your balls?
Yes.
That way you can go nutting some girls.
Oi. That is cool, Pop Guy. I gotta check that out. I really.
The only thing that's wrong about the aeroreceptors is that they're too bright.
Oof.
Yup. Yup.
Slob.
Oh, that's me. $31.
Have you ever thought of eating a ghost pepper on stream?
Oh
as, like, a
God, no.
challenge?
Oh fuck, no.
Okay, when you get your new when you're about to send your old rig to me, pack a ghost pepper with it.
Oh God. $30 by $31. That should be.
Imagine going to like school or college and then for lunch just eating a single ghost pepper.
Oh God. I can't imagine torturing myself that way.
Crunch. Oh God, I'm dead.
You just committed die.
Actually, the ghost pepper is not the hottest pepper in the world. It's actually the chocolate butta. The chocolate booty.
So I think this graphic, let me see. 30 by 31. That's what I'm going.
You're not gonna come to me, samurai.
I am not looking forward to tomorrow. We're supposed to get hit with a really big frickin' nor'easter. And I just hope that my
Nor'easter?
Yep.
Oh, we already had one.
Well, it's my turn.
Like, you guys already had one.
Oh, we're getting another. We're getting one. Whether we like it or not. Air to image size. There we go. What I'm going to do is make these 30 by 31 panels. So each arrow will not actually be 32 by 32 by 32 or 64 by 64. It'll be 31 by 31. Wait. 30 by 31. Hold on. Shit knockers.
I don't care if I can start the freaking song already.
Let me see here.
Time to play Any Mayan.
30 by 31. That's what I'm going to do.
You remember the chart for Any Mayan?
No. Been too freaking long. There we go. 30 by 31. And what I'm going to do is put these here. Wait. I'm an idiot. I could just do 30 by 30, couldn't I? 30. Yeah, I could do a 30 by 30 panels here. $30 by $30. So it would be either 30 by 30 and alright, Pop Giles. We'll see you soon. 30 by 30. And then wait, so this should be lined up here. Here we go. Now I'll have
Oh, my mic's too hot because I can hear my own mic in the freaking stream.
oi.
But I don't care. I'd like to hear you. I would. Left, up, down, down. Fuck.
Down, down, left, right, left, fuck. Whoops, I fucked that one up. How crazy is crazy? I want to know. I want to know. Hmm.
Come on, let me hear you say right, right, left, left, up, down, 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 up, left, sideways.
Are they trying to transition from Konami code to playing Pump It Up? And speaking of, you know what would be really cool? If someone could find and dump the 8 or 9 panel game Techno Motion, because I really am curious about how that would work. About how that game works and everything. I've seen videos of people playing it, and it looks abso-fucking-lutely bonkers. Let me see. I know I probably won't get...
Can you hear what song I'm about to play?
Oh, hold on. Oh, I recognize the song from Pump It Up. That was used in Techno Motion in the video I'm watching. Doesn't the announcer in Techno Motion sound a little bit like Thomas Howard or whoever the first to fifth mix announcer was? Listen to the clip in the video I'm watching at the end. Hold on, actually I can find a better video.
Oh my gosh. I got the extra steps.
See the innings. Crossover hell.
Oof. There we go. There we go. Now all the arrow graphics are together like they need to be. Let me see here. Is it great? 120 pixels. Exactly what I want and need. Cool. For the arrow graphics spreadsheet I'm doing for my step editor, I have it so I managed to take the single step freeze arrow graphic that I ripped from Max 2 and make it so I could actually use it in a spreadsheet, and I'll have 3 rows, one for the quarter, eighth, and 16th notes. You know, the red, blue, and yellow, respectively.
God.
What'd you do?
Freaking itch while at the same time trying to play freaking Silver Dream
Oh God.
on expert.
That sucks. Itching. Oh man. I've had bad itches when I've been playing.
Now the side of my nutsack is starting to itch.
Oh God. The body is a bitch sometimes. What can I say? I guess you can say your body is driving you nuts. And I just screwed up something. Okay, so now we got the red. Red goes here.
I messed up.
Red, 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 red. There we go. Now we got red. Then we have blue. Now we just need the yellow. What a pain in the ass. Yay, pure yellow. Looks like someone peed on these arrows.
What?
The yellow I'm using for the 16th notes. Looks like someone took a piss on these arrows. A very dehydrated piss.
No, it looks like they were molded from mustard.
Or that they were being made out of Legos.
Ooh, Trip Machine Evolution. You love this. You would love the song Trip Machine Evolution.
Ooh.
It sounds pretty good.
I can hear bits of it and already think.
By the way, it is the Konami original, so you don't.
Yeah, don't have to worry about getting stream restricted and shit. Hmm. Whoops. I accidentally painted the whole background piss yellow.
Nope.
Alright, wait, image, canvas size. Should be 120. There we go. There we go. Quarter note, half note, 16th notes. No, or 8th notes and 16th. Quarter, 8th, and 16th. Derpy derpy doop. Derpa derpa doop poop. Alright, so duplicate this. But don't do something stupid and lose the original. Whoops. There we are. And yay! It actually looks right. Now we got quarter note, 8th note, 16th note, freeze notes. Now I gotta see if I can make the fucking freeze arrows look right. Because if I want to make this a proper DDR thing, a proper DDR step editor, I'm going to need I'm gonna need to have support for the freeze arrows and having them look correct, which, needless to say, is a pain in the ass. So yeah, I'm gonna copy this. Uh-oh. Guess I had this all wrong in... Oh yeah, there we go. All these arrows are going to need to be touching with the pixel being off on the side here because of how the freeze arrow graphics work and look. There we go. It's gonna look right! There we go. The freeze arrow start. Now I need the down arrow. Whoops. That's not a down arrow. Yay! Here we go.
The frick is that song jacket? Oh, I know I'm gonna play.
Let's see here. Oh crap, I forgot that the freeze arrow is actually a gradient and it just keeps repeating. Crap.
In a way, I'm giving up on that run because I completely screwed it up.
Yikes. Boo. Let's see where this part of it repeats. Oh, this is interesting. Looks like it doesn't evenly repeat. It would be a lot easier if... Wait, I can just go and...
These drills, though. I hate them.
I can actually see if in edit mode it just shows a graphic with one background color, or if it shows the same gradient. Whoops, wrong version.
I mean, really, if you wanted to, you could just do the solo.
I'm doing do the color coding in this one for the non... never mind. My thought process just got fucked, so don't worry about it.
The triplets are real.
What's up?
The triplets are real with this song.
Oh crap, this thing does use the gradient. What a pain in the shit hole.
What is with the no burst?
Oh boy.
Oh, I forgot. I disabled freeze arrows.
Whoops. Damn. Okay, so now let's see here. Hmm.
Ouch. Probably need to readjust my mic.
What's up?
God. Too hot. Or is it good for you?
It I can hear you just fine.
I think my audio is too hot because I was game audio through your stream.
Hmm.
Feel like I want to start stream, but at the same time I don't. Fuck it, I'm starting a stream.
Awesome.
So I've managed to get chats on YouTube again.
What's up?
I've gotten chat sounds working on YouTube again.
Oh, cool, man. Yeah.
You should try and get on that.
Yeah. I'm gonna need to run 2 instances, which will be a lot easier once I'm on my new computer. At least I think that's what I'm gonna have to do. At least that's what I've read.
Okay, first up, my stream is not and starting soon. I'm gonna put this in studio mode. hope I'm gonna hope that Discord does not affect my streams ban. And I'm gonna kill the stream I'm just gonna kill YouTube and Chrome on here.
Hmm.
I'm gonna murder it in its sleep. Okay, murdering has been done. I'm gonna disable high high priority packets on Discord so I don't want to eat up all my bandwidth. Or else, you know, my router will have a bad case of diarrhea.
Oh god, yeah, we definitely don't want that.
But honestly, frame rate wise, like, should be less of an issue once I get your old rig. I'd be able to record without lagging.
Oh, without a doubt. If it's something like Stepmania, you'd absolutely be able to have no trouble.
I still love the fact, like, I did a Twitch stream once, streaming with my new theme. I was looking on my stream. You know how in, like, DDR stream, you know, when the judge, you know, pops out, sometimes it'll, like, you know,
Yeah.
soft and then stop and then, you know, go back to popping out again.
Mm-hmm.
You know, earlier mixes will do that.
Yeah.
Somehow my frame syncs were perfect enough where it was actually doing that.
Oh man.
Like, even, like, projecting out my gameplay screen showed the same results.
That's awesome.
But it does not do it in game. Game, it's like 60 FPS, so it doesn't look like it's normal choppy. So I want to figure out how to lose, like, script a little thing with the judgment so it randomly, like, does a random pop out.
Hmm. Okay, I think I got the looping of the image working, right?
Go live anyways. Keyboard Breaking Simulator 2019.
Dun, 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 dun.
Alright, we're live.
Live, without taking a dive.
I mean, if you want to, you can put my stream on in the background.
Eh. Yeah, it's only because... Hold on.
I need to test if my widgets work. Okay, if following means things good. Alright, let's play some Step Mania.
Step Revolution. Yay, the looping is correct.
Alright, let's play some the dance thing. Dance Revolution.
Alright, see you, Pop Guy. Ooh, good luck on your finals, man. Hopefully, you do
Wait,
really well.
Who's going?
Pop Guy. Crap, I gotta redo all this. Fuck.
Extra enthusiastic ending. Gladius. By the way, Gladius, welcome to the stream. There's still people out there that are not using the Simply Love theme. Yes, finally. Yeah, the only person here that is using it that is not using the Simply Love theme is me, because I use a default edit. I forgot I turned off freezer.
See where these align. Shifted one down.
still using Siberia style. Well, you possibly got one of the hardest to find themes now because Siberia style started. They just straight up stopped distributing their theme.
All right. We're gonna let Wheatley do his thing. He's got his own people to tend to. I don't want to get in the way, and I don't want necessarily to have to worry about Cross not getting in the way. Is not a blame thing in any sense of the word. There we go. Let me see here. Been 20 by 30, and now they followed the correct format. There we go. Yay and yay! Now I'm gonna have to redo all these freeze arrow things, but... And yes, as I've said before, what a pain in the ass. But, it'll look right. And that's what matters when I'm making this look just like they're supposed to with edit mode. There we go. There we go. Come on. Oh man. Oh yeah, I actually know what it was I just didn't want to get in the way with talking with your chat dudes while you were playing and stuff, because I know it can be a bit, you know, I don't know, a little weird. You want me to get back onto Discord? I can, absolutely. Great. So I guess I'm gonna have to make each, actually make each frame 32. 30 by 32. Shit. That will work though. 30 by 32. Hold on. No, I closed it intentionally because I didn't want to get in the way when you're streaming and shit, man. Whoops. Whoops. $32. $32. $32. $32. Ah. I'll get back on Discord in a moment. Cool, man. Night! This ass. Alright, so now I made it so each arrow was 30 by 32. Alright, I'm getting right back on, boys. You just see something here. I go to 6. All right, 64 by 64. Nope, 32 by 64 is what I'm looking at here. Oh, come on, cunt knock. This fucking selection tool. There we go. Never said fucking. So, so what's going on, Tojo? What could be, things don't seem out of place.
I just like to say my stream right now currently is about as successful as Burger King Cheeto Fry.
Oh God.
Let's just say no viewers at all.
Oh, keep going though. Don't
Like-
don't stop, you know? Well, folks, speaking of streams, I'm gonna have to end this one here because I have to get up early tomorrow to go into my parents' office, which is gonna suck. It's gonna be boring as fuck. So, of course, tomorrow is TF2 Thursday, guys, so that's gonna be fun. Hopefully more parts will come, and then hopefully by early next week I will have the parts and I'll be ready to do a live stream when I'm building this thing. But of course, that's gonna be a while from now. So now, it's time for my generic outro, and hopefully I'll finally actually be able to get to my silent pack opening.
When you finish.
Oh. What's up?
Post me on Twitch when you finish.
Cool, man. Now it's time for my generic outro. I actually think despite the stream being more focused on graphics, I actually think this was a pretty successful stream in terms of getting stuff done. Uh-oh. Shit. What just happened? If you like this video and you've not yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, tap that bell icon so you're notified every time I stream or upload. If you are on Mixer or Twitch, please do me a solid, follow me there as well. If you want to connect via social media, you may do so via Discord, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to donate, which is always optional, you may do so through Patreon, PayPal wallet, and Streamlabs, whether as little as $1 or any amount above. Every bit is greatly appreciated and goes towards making this channel a derptastic success. All links I mentioned can be found in the description if you're on YouTube, or in the panel below the viewing screen if you're on Twitch. TF2 Thursday tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And now, as always, thank you for watching. Stay classy, stay sassy, be smart-assy, but not too gassy, as people still don't like that. And please, for the love of God, check out Ray's. Check out his stream. He's going to be streaming on Twitch as soon as this stream concludes.
Stream is already in progress.
Oh, yeah.
In your best interest to host me on.
Definitely watch. Excuse me.
Do you know how to host on Twitch, Doris?
Let me see. I
tell
don't.
you once I finish the song.
Yeah. So I don't have to actually be actively streaming or anything to host, do I?
Once you you just need to end stream. Your Twitch will your output to my stream, basically.
Oh, cool.
So what you want to go to your profile, go to your, and then you just want to do /host and then the streamer's name in your own stream chat.
Ah, I see. Cool.
Basically, like, just do /host and then okay, /host Ray092.
Hold on, I can fix this. Oh, YouTube's no, I mean, Firefox, stop fucking being a cunt. Firefox can go fuck itself.
I really hope I have my Twitch alerts set right. Because it plays a 5-second attention tone when it
$00. There we go. So I'll see you next time, folks.